Alright, this is the post winter rebuild of my rm125, and another beautiful Pennsylvania day, except I can't ride it because there's 22 inches of snow on the ground, so yeah, it's not moving too good in that. New top end, new swing arm or linkage bearings, new rear wheel bearings. Pretty much the same as the video I made a long time ago, but sounds a little better today, even though it's running kind of rich. Alright, it's warmed up, so it should start on the first kick here. Come on. Coming soon are some new tires, because I don't know if you can see them. These treads are pretty much shot. New rear brake rotor to match the front of this one. And I'm getting this wheel to make sure it's true so I don't ruin my new tires. And that's about it.